We will be walking through the benefits of integrating your storEDGE software with SpareFoot and the key differences between a manual and an integrated SpareFoot account. SpareFoot's integration with storEDGE provides seamless integration between your storage management software and SpareFoot, allowing you to get the most out of your SpareFoot account without spending the additional time and ensuring your listing is always accurate. There are key differences between having a manual account and an integrated account. Having a manual account, facilities, amenities, unit groups, unit features, rates, availability, promotions, new tenants, and reconciliation were all a manual process to maintain in your account. By having an integrated account, facilities, unit groups, unit features, rates, availability, and promotions are automatically updated and synced once per hour. New tenant information is automatically sent to storEDGE. Reservation notifications will show up on your leads page in storEDGE with SpareFoot listed as the source, in addition to notifications being sent via email, phone, or text. And for your monthly billing or reconciliation process, your software tells SpareFoot who moved in, reducing the manual work. SpareFoot needs to know the full scoop about each of your units. What are the dimensions, the price, are they inside or outside, are they available for vehicle storage? All of this information is pulled directly from the storEDGE API. storEDGE unit amenities are fully customizable, but SpareFoot looks for a certain keyword and phrases in your amenities to properly represent them on your listing. Although it's possible to add whatever unit attributes you'd like in storEDGE, SpareFoot has a finite list available. The following list of amenities are available. We'll move on to editing unit data in storEDGE. From the corporate level, click the Settings icon in the menu column on the left. Then, click the Software Setting tab at the top of the screen and select Unit Amenities. From here, you can add and/or edit any unit amenities that you would like to use at your facilities. It is important that all unit amenities are added individually. This will ensure proper tagging on SpareFoot. Once you have added the appropriate amenities, navigate to one of your facilities and click on Settings and then Units. Select a unit group and click the Edit button on the far right. On the Edit screen, scroll down to the Unit Detail section and select all of the appropriate amenities for the unit group. From this screen, you can also confirm the unit type, the price, the dimensions, the door type, the floor, and the access. While it is possible to create custom unit details, if an attribute already exists as an option in storEDGE, please use that rather than creating your own. Make sure you scroll all the way down and click the Save button. Please note, changes to unit attributes will not update in SpareFoot until the nightly sync. If you'd like to see those changes earlier, please reach out to support for assistance. We may also need to adjust the settings on our end to properly translate the amenities you've created. Finally, we will be walking through auto-reconciliation. Auto-reconciliation makes reconciling your monthly statement easier and saves you time by matching up reservations you've received from SpareFoot with tenants who have moved into your facility. So how does it work? Customers often move in under an alternate name, and it can be time-consuming for you to check customer information and determine if a move-in came from SpareFoot. Our system looks at the following information from your SpareFoot reservations and tenant information in order to eliminate this process for you and save you time. If you have multiple facilities on your SpareFoot account, you may occasionally see that a customer who reserved at one facility moved into another location. This customer may have spoken to a facility manager and realized that one of your other facilities is a better fit due to location, amenities, or unit availability. Since this customer did reserve through SpareFoot, we will match the customer even though the original reservation was not placed at the facility they moved into. We will then bill the facility that received the move-in. Customers also often realize that they need a different unit size or different amenities than what they reserved. One of the benefits of auto-reconciliation is that we bill for the unit that the customer moved into instead of the unit that was reserved. This means that you're always paying your SpareFoot fee based on the actual rent collected from the customer. Our system will match the customer based on the factors listed here, regardless of what unit they move into, including units that may not be shown on your SpareFoot listing. So what does an auto-reconciled statement look like? Statements visually look different when using auto-reconciliation versus manually reconciling. Auto-reconciled statements are broken into two sections: auto-matched, which are customers who moved in, and unmatched, which are customers who did not move in. If you notice that any of this information is incorrect, you still have complete flexibility to edit charges by clicking the check mark to let us know that the customer moved in, or the X to let us know that the customer did not move in either of those sections. Keep in mind, match reasons listed previously, since our system may have matched the reservation based on information other than the customer's name, such as phone number and email address. So you may be thinking, do I still have to check my statement each month? Even though our auto-reconciliation feature is highly accurate, we still recommend that you review your statement to ensure everything is correct. And please note that once the statement closes, your bill cannot be adjusted. If you have any questions about your storEDGE or SpareFoot account, please contact our support team with the information shown here, or feel free to read more about the features we discussed today through our help centers. Thank you.